behind fireworks and try to create my own colorful explosion. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating chemistry of fireworks and what makes them explode with vivid colors during celebrations. The challenge lies in understanding how different elements contribute to the colors we see in the sky, and why some colors are more common than others. Fireworks have been a part of human celebrations for centuries, and their ability to produce vibrant colors has always been a source of fascination. Colors like red, green, and blue are quite common in fireworks, but have you ever wondered what makes them appear in the sky? The answer lies in the chemical composition of the fireworks themselves. Different elements are responsible for producing different colors when heated. This is due to the unique energy levels of the atoms in each element, which release specific wavelengths of light when excited by heat. The combination of these elements in various proportions determines the final color we see in the sky. Understanding the role of each element is crucial to grasping the chemistry behind fireworks. Fireworks manufacturers carefully select and combine elements to produce the desired colors and effects. The right balance of elements is essential to creating a visually stunning display. However, achieving this balance can be a complex process, as the chemical composition of the fireworks must be precisely controlled to produce the desired colors. The challenge of creating consistent and vibrant colors is what makes fireworks manufacturing an art as well as a science. The chemical composition of fireworks is a critical aspect of their performance. The elements used in fireworks are typically metals or metal salts, which are designed to release specific wavelengths of light when heated. The combination of these elements in various proportions determines the final color we see in the sky. By carefully controlling the chemical composition of the fireworks, manufacturers can create a wide range of colors and effects. You'll dive into the types of chemical compounds used in fireworks, such as strontium for red, barium for green, and copper for blue, explaining how they interact with heat to produce color. Strontium and barium are commonly used to produce red and green colors, respectively, due to their unique energy levels. Copper, on the other hand, is used to produce blue colors. The interaction between these elements and heat is what produces the vibrant colors we see in the sky. The interaction between the chemical compounds and heat is a complex process. When the fireworks are ignited, the heat energy excites the atoms in the chemical compounds, causing them to release specific wavelengths of light. This light is what we see as color in the sky. The combination of different chemical compounds and heat energy creates a wide range of colors and effects. By carefully controlling the chemical composition of the fireworks, manufacturers can create a variety of colors and patterns. The combination of different chemical compounds is what creates the stunning visual effects we see in fireworks. Different compounds are used to produce different colors and patterns, and the combination of these compounds determines the final effect. For example, the combination of strontium and copper can produce a range of colors from red to purple. The right balance of compounds is essential to creating a visually stunning display. The key moment will be revealing how the combination of these elements creates stunning visual effects, including the science behind the different shapes and patterns in the explosions. The shape and pattern of a firework explosion are determined by the chemical composition of the firework and the way it is ignited. The combination of different chemical compounds and the timing of the ignition determine the final shape and pattern of the explosion. By carefully controlling these factors, fireworks manufacturers can create a wide range of effects. Fireworks can take many forms, from simple spherical explosions to complex patterns and shapes. The science behind these effects is fascinating, and understanding the chemical composition of the fireworks is essential to appreciating their beauty. The combination of different chemical compounds and the timing of the ignition determine the final shape and pattern of the explosion. This is what makes fireworks so mesmerizing and enjoyable to watch. The combination of different elements and chemical compounds is what creates the stunning visual effects we see in fireworks. The right balance of compounds is essential to creating a visually stunning display. By carefully controlling the chemical composition of the fireworks, manufacturers can create a wide range of colors and effects. The science behind fireworks is fascinating, and understanding the chemical composition of the fireworks is essential to appreciating their beauty. To wrap up, summarize how the unique chemistry of fireworks results in the beautiful colors that light up our skies during celebrations. The unique chemistry of fireworks is what makes them so beautiful and mesmerizing. The combination of different elements and chemical compounds creates a wide range of colors and effects, and the right balance of compounds is essential to creating a visually stunning display. Invite viewers to share their favorite firework colors in the comments and suggest they check out your other videos on science and chemistry. Share your favorite firework colors with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on science and chemistry for more fascinating content.